These colors look innocent, right? Baby pink, powder blue, magenta, but trust me, they all have a past.
Powder blue, born in a laundry room.
Let's start with powder blue, which contrary to its Bollywood heroine chiffon sari PR, allegedly started life in a laundry basket. In the 1600s, laundresses used a powdered cobalt-tinted glass called smalt to brighten whites and correct yellowing. That dark blue powder was also called powder blue. Only much later did the phrase slip quietly into our paint palettes as the soft shade we know today. As with most colors, there is no absolute definition of its exact hue. It's a pale blue with subtle grey undertones, said to resemble a clear sky on a hazy day. Designers from Versace to Sabyasachi have used powder blue for that airy, weightless elegance. And of course, Indian heroines from Katrina Kaif to Sonam Kapoor to Sri Leela have rocked the powder blue chiffon sari look. Princess of Wales Kate Middleton wore a powder blue dress created by designer Alexander McQueen for Trooping the Colour, the official marking of Queen Elizabeth's birthday in 2018. Powder blue thrives not just in fashion but in sport as well. The Los Angeles Chargers American football uniforms are famous as the classic powder blue kit, though they have changed to other colours every now and then.
Baby pink, a color for boys.
Baby pink looks innocent, but its history isn't. The word pink actually comes from the dianthus flower, whose frilled petals resemble fabric cut with pinking shears. Pinking shears are scissors with saw-toothed blades that create a zigzag pattern on fabric. The flower was called a pink because of the pattern, and eventually the color borrowed the name. Baby pink first shows up in 1928 in a world that had very different style rules. Those days, pink was for boys, blue for girls. A 1918 baby clothes manual basically laid it down as law. As historian Joe Paoletti points out, pink was red's little brother, bold and masculine, while blue had the soft, holy glow of the Virgin Mary. Then mid-20th century marketers rewrote the rule book and baby pink became the color of girlhood. But today, once again these differentiations have blurred. So that gentle pastel shade, well, if gender fluidity had a color, that would be it.
Magenta, a color born on the battlefield.
Magenta. It sounds chic, but it's named after a battle. In 1859, a new synthetic dye, originally called fuchsin, was rechristened Magenta after the Battle of Magenta. So called because it was fought near the town of Magenta in northern Italy, where French Sardinian forces led by Napoleon III defeated the Austrians. The color name stuck and the dye became a commercial hit. Imagine naming a color after a war today. Introducing our summer shade Kargil khaki? Probably not. Magenta is the M in CMYK. But what is CMYK, you ask? It is the four-color process used in printing: cyan, magenta, yellow and key. Cyan is the name of a greenish-blue color and key means black because it was the key or crucial color in traditional printing. So magenta is one of the four base inks, and it's combined with the other three in different proportions to produce nearly every color you see on a printed page. That makes magenta a VIC, a very important color. The Reserve Bank of India issued a magenta-colored 2000 rupee banknote in 2016 under the Mahatma Gandhi New Series, but withdrew it from circulation in 2023. Of course, they are still being used. The French artist Paul Gauguin, known for using bold, non-traditional colors, used magenta in some of his works, notably in the 1890 portrait of Marie Lagadou. The artist met Lagadou at an inn where she worked as a waitress. When she agreed to pose for Gauguin, I wonder if Lagadou knew that her name and face would go down in history. Magenta is everywhere in nature, particularly in tropical flowers. It's the perfect opposite of green, so magenta petals pop dramatically against foliage, making them easy for pollinating insects to spot. So the next time someone says, "You look good in powder blue," or baby pink, or magenta. You can smile knowingly because now you know their secret lives. This topic was suggested by Gitanjali Kaur. What's your favorite color? Does it have an exotic name? Tell me in the comments. I'm the English Nut. Bye for now.
The secret lives of